Kodiak Nearly Invincible Headlamp is a rugged, rechargeable headlamp designed to provide versatile, hands-free lighting for demanding jobs, outdoor activities, and nighttime visibility. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Nearly Invincible Headlamp, an adjustable head strap, and a USB charging cable. Before operating it for the first time, it's recommended to fully charge the unit to ensure maximum runtime. Tilt the headlamp forward and lift the locking tab of the charging port cover upward. A full charge takes up to 4 hours, and charging is indicated by a red light coming off of the battery. The nearly invincible design lends itself well to a variety of demanding environments. Constructed from tough, durable resin and weighing less than 1/4 pounds, the headlamp is IPX7 waterproof and has been drop tested at 4 meters for added durability. The adjustable head strap helps keep the light securely positioned during hands-free use, while the light itself can tilt downward up to 45 degrees with 3 locking positions, allowing you to direct illumination where you need it. For additional placement options, remove the light from the strap and use its integrated retractable hook to hang it over a workspace, campsite, or other area where hands-free illumination is needed. Operation is simple and intuitive thanks to 2 independently controlled light sections, each with its own push button. This gives you 7 available lighting modes and allows the 2 sections to be operated separately or together depending on the task at hand. The power button cycles between a white light high, medium, and low brightness, while the minus button provides solid red, flashing red, and blue lighting. You can also operate both light sections simultaneously when maximum versatility is needed. With all lights operating simultaneously, the headlamp provides up to 4 hours of runtime.